Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google form from scratch. Whether it's for surveys, registrations, or quizzes, by the end of this video, you'll be able to make a professional, fully customized form in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. Access Google Forms. First, open Chrome and sign into your Google account. Click the Google Apps grid in the top right corner and scroll until you see the purple Forms icon. Click it and you'll land on the Forms homepage. Choose a template. You can start with a blank form or pick a template from the gallery. Templates save time and give you a professional structure instantly, especially if you're short on time. Set up your form, rename your form, maybe call it company survey, and add a description. You can format the text to make it more engaging. Next, it's time to add your first question. For example, name with a short answer field. Toggle required to make sure people don't skip it. Add more questions. Click the plus icon to add more fields. Include email addresses, hobbies, or anything you need. You can mix short answers, paragraphs, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-downs depending on the type of information you're collecting. Manage responses. Once your questions are set, click the Responses tab. Make sure accepting responses is enabled. You can even turn your form into a quiz if needed through the settings. Customize the theme. Click Customize Theme to add a header image, change colors, and make your form visually appealing. This is especially useful if you're matching your branding or an event theme. Share your form. Finally, hit Send. You can share via email, get a shareable link, or even print it. Pro tip, shorten the link for easy sharing on social media or messaging apps. Always mark essential fields as required. Use templates to save time and customize your theme for a professional touch. And that's it. Your Google form is ready to collect responses efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with what form you'll be creating next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.